Good morning guys, おはようございます。In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to play airplane and it just looks like this. The first thing you are gonna do is hold the ball with your 3 or 4 fingers. 3 or 4 fingers. Like this. Next, grab the can with your non-dominant hand and put it back towards your body. Put the can back towards the body. Okay, next, we just wanna let it go. Like this. Release your hand from the can and just let it go. We don't wanna push or throw or give a lot of force. Give it a lot of force. We just wanna let it go. Like this. Just release your hand and let the can go forward like this. Let the can go forward. Next, let the can go forward. Put the ball back toward your body and make after tugging motion like this. When you see the can just underneath the ball, you're gonna make the tugging motion and put the can back toward your body and let the can hold into the hole of the ball like this. Just like any other Kendama tricks, it is very important to use your knees as you catch the can. And that's the airplane.